We are at this huge glacier here in southeastern Iceland, and the color of the blue in the icebergs breaking off is absolutely stunning. Depends on a lot of things like the age of the ice and the oxygen and the way the light is hitting it. This area is a 5-hour drive east of Reykjavik, and right off the highway you'll find the lagoon full of glacier water and these giant icebergs. Tourists can sign up for boat and kayak tours, but just watching from shore as the icebergs chunk off and float away is quite a sight. You'll see some wildlife here too, enjoying these frigid waters. Couple seals in the water checking things out. They say this is one of the best places in Iceland to see seals, and further downstream, certain times of the year, this is the best place for orca spotting. But what happens here is really unique. Wait until you see what happens as these huge icebergs float downstream toward the beach. Downstream, the icebergs float under a bridge toward the Atlantic Ocean. Waves knock them back up onto the black sand beaches, and as they fall apart, the crystal clear shards glistening on shore give the beach its nickname, Diamond Beach. Some of the edges are as sharp as glass, and the clarity is perfection. There are several lots on both sides of the bridge to park in, which is convenient since the icebergs drift day to day and you never really know which side of the river they'll be on. The sun in Iceland sets at different times over the course of the year, but sunset is an excellent time for photos if you can make that happen. And while a lot of people make this a stop on their road trips, the area is so vast you'll have no trouble finding some space for yourself to enjoy the amazing, unique scenery at Diamond Beach.